Ooni came out with a new spiral mixer again, and I'm stoked to show it off to y'all. Today we're unboxing the Ooni Halo Core. Yes, it's targeted for a specific demographic. Yes, we'll be comparing it with the original Halo Pro spiral mixer. And yes, you'll be able to decide for yourself if this new spiral mixer is worth it for you. Let's get into the video. And here is the bad boy right here. Look, this is the box that it comes in, pretty light. And this is for the home bakers out there who are really trying to, you know, get their pizza enthusiast game on, right? Like maybe you're just making pizza for the first 150,000 times. No way. Out the gate, a cover, a silicone cover so your dough doesn't dry out. No way. And that doesn't replace this, the plastic cover for the spout. I didn't love that this didn't have a cover on the original Halo Pro spiral mixer, but this definitely fixes that. No problem. Just replace and remove. I love that for us. We have the breaker bar, the power cord. Look at this cute little thing. It's so tiny. Oh my goodness. Oh. The beater attachment comes in two. What? And then the paddle attachment. Oh, I got some bendy going on here. Hopefully that's designed that way. Yeah, it is. Look at this tiny little bowl. Oh my goodness, dude. Look at that. One-handed, baby. One-handed, baby. Check that out, dude. Check that out, dude. Okay, interesting. Manual locking. How do you close it now? Okay, so when you click it all the way up, it locks. And then if you want to... auto locks. Got it. Okay, so we got that. Let's put the bowl on just so y'all can see. This thing is tiny. Oh my goodness. Like, I got a big old head. The bowl is as big as my head, pretty much. That's hella funny, dude. Okay, let's go ahead and I'm gonna wash this real quick. Wash the attachments and let's go make a mix. All right, let's put these bad boys on. Let's put this one on. Let's close that up. Let's move this. Let's move this. And this is actually the first time I'm powering it on, so I'm curious to see what happens. Here's the original. There's that, it's on. And let's power this one on. No sound? No way! Oh, I just noticed it's not digital up here. Oh. Oh. Okay, so there's no digital screen on here. I just noticed that. So the only thing you can do is just, I mean, it lights up here. It's 20 clicks, apparently. But you don't know your RPM. All right, so there are 20 speeds total, 5% increments, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And if it's like a full light to half light, full light is 5, half light is 10, full light is 15, kind of like that. Yeah. And here's the Halo Pro. And here is that. That's an RPM. That's percentage. So if we're assuming 5% is 60 RPM, we can go ahead and assume 5% is 60 RPM there. Still shaky, but not as loud. I think Ooni heard your guys' complaints. Let's go here. All right. So far, the dough has already come off the bowl for that. That was pretty quick. Here, we're going to go ahead and wait to get the same sort of look. And this is probably going to take a little bit longer too because it's a bigger bowl, so it needs to fight a little bit more to bring everything together. This is just after a little bit of mixing, probably like 7 minutes total. Not bad. It's quick and efficient, and it's going to make some pretty good pizza. Look at that. No window pane just yet. I don't want to overmix this thing. This is pretty ready and not sticky. Simple. And now I'm going to go ahead and put both doughs in there. That makes it 2 kgs, and we're going to go ahead and just fill it up. Why not? For the science. All right. Start it off just a little bit. We're at 5% right there, and it's still super quiet. Oh yeah. This thing is taking that like a champ. Let's go to 10. Let's go to 15. 20. 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, getting some shake, 50, 55, 60, 65, 70, 75, 80. Yes, there's some shake, but I think you're going to get that with every mixer. There's a 50-pound bag of Tony Gimignani flour right there holding down this table. But for the most part, this is a light table. This is a foldable table. It's not super sturdy. All right, folks. So what just happened? You should probably read your instructions. And if you operate the Ooni Halo Core spiral mixer outside of its intended use, you may ruin your warranty. So, minimum and maximum capacity, 0.5 kilogram, which is great. Minimum, 2.5 kilogram, maximum. So we're well within that range. Operating times, 0 to 20 minutes. You don't want to be mixing too hot for too long. That's what I'm mixing. And then operating speeds, 5 to 80%. I was at 100. The only time you should really doing 100% is with the angled silicone edge beater or the geared whisks. It's assumed that you're not going to be doing 100% on the dough because dough is a little bit too strong. And honestly, you don't need to be doing 100% anyway. So we found out. Ooni, if you're watching this, hopefully you avoid my warranty. All right. Thanks. I appreciate your forgiveness. But that's where we're at. That's what happens when you max this out to modes that you're not supposed to. So learn from my mistake. Thanks. And make sure you read the frickin' manual. Other than that, this dough is looking beautiful. Super creamy, super buttery, smooth dough. Yeah, baby. I like that. We're gonna go ahead and just show that off right there. It's not full window pane just yet. but we got some extensibility there. So yeah, that is what I wanted to show y'all today, gang. Ooni has the new spiral mixer. It makes some beautiful, amazing dough. And if you need a mixer this size to put on a small counter, or if you're looking to travel with a mixer for competitions, that's what I'm gonna be doing it for. Or if you just need a dedicated mixer for gluten-free doughs, totally something a lot of pro pizza makers are doing. Get this. This is your toy. Super light, super easy to use. Don't max it out like me, because that's what happens. But I mean, in terms of making beautiful dough babies, you got it. And let's go ahead and take the final DDT on this just to close the loop. We've maxed this puppy out. Currently at 79 degrees Fahrenheit. Nothing too hot. That's perfect. Just because, in my opinion, this is going to be freezing. My fridge is super cold, so it does need a little bit of a warm start to it. Let me know what you think in the comments. I appreciate the love and support. Till next time, peace.